Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about incredible discovery of neutron. Before we jump into discovery, let's quickly recap history of atom. In 1886, Goldstein discovered positively charged particles, named as protons. In the year 1897, Thomson invented negatively charged particles, named as electrons. In 1920, Rutherford predicted that some neutral particles must be present in an atom. Thus scientists were in search of such a neutral particle. Eventually in 1932, Chadwick discovered third subatomic particles, named as neutrons. Let's see how Chadwick discovered neutrons. He conducted a series of groundbreaking experiments. When he bombarded different elements with alpha particles that are produced by Polonium Source, and observed that the radiation emitted from beryllium was different from what was expected. When these radiations passed through the charge detector, it showed them to be neutral particles. So Chadwick concluded that neutral particles also present in the nucleus of atom, other than proton. Later, these neutral particles were named as neutrons. Let me discuss some properties of neutrons. Neutrons are neutral particles because neutrons do not have any net electric charge, but they do have a mass which is slightly greater than that of a proton. The mass of a neutron is about 1.675 multiplied by 10 power minus 27 kg. And the mass of protons is 1.673 multiplied by 10 power minus 27 kg. So, the mass of neutrons is almost the same as the mass of protons. Neutrons and protons are collectively known as nucleons. Why they are known as nucleons? Because both behave in a similar manner and are present inside the nucleus of atom. Neutrons are highly penetrating particles. They can expel high-speed protons from paraffin, water, paper and cellulose. They are highly penetrating because they have no electric charge and can pass through matter without being affected by electromagnetic forces. Free neutrons decay into a proton with the emission of an electron and a neutrino. Neutrino are the lightest subatomic particles that have mass. When neutrons are used as projectiles, they can carry out the nuclear reactions. A fast neutron ejects an alpha particle from the nucleus of nitrogen atom, and boron is produced within alpha particles. Alpha particles are helium nuclei. On the other hand, when slow-moving neutrons hit the copper metal, then gamma radiations are emitted. Gamma radiations are highly penetrating form of electromagnetic radiations. So these are the properties of neutrons. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.